Most people know about essential oils, but very few know about hydrosols, one of the gentlest and the most versatile herbal extracts you can make at home. Hydrosols are aromatic herbal waters collected during distillation. They smell amazing, are easy to use, and can be used for skincare, hair care, aromatherapy, and much more. Today, we'll explore what hydrosols are, how they are made, and the 10 amazing hydrosols and their benefits. A hydrosol is the water collected during the steam or hydrodistillation of herbs and flowers. When steam passes through the plant material, it carries volatile aromatic compounds from the herbs. The vapor then cools and condenses into two parts, essential oil and hydrosol. Essential oils contain concentrated oil-soluble compounds. Hydrosols contain water-soluble plant compounds and tiny amounts of essential oils. This makes hydrosol much gentler and easier for daily use. Hydrosols are incredibly versatile. Many people use them as facial toners and refreshing skin mists. Others use them as hair and scalp sprays. Hydrosols are also popular in aromatherapy and natural home products. They can be used in room sprays, lens sprays, DIY skincare, soap making, and herbal wellness routines. Because hydrosols are much more milder than essential oils, many people enjoy using them daily. Rose hydrosol is one of the most popular floral waters. It has a soft floral aroma and is commonly used in skincare. Many people use it as a refreshing facial toner or calming skin mists. Lavender hydrosol is known for its calming aroma. It's commonly used as a bedtime pillow spray, room mist, or after sun cooling spray. Rosemary hydrosol has a fresh herbal aroma. It's popular in hair and scalp care products and is often used as an energizing room spray. Peppermint hydrosol provides a cooling and a refreshing sensation. Many people enjoy using it during hot summer days as a body mist or refreshing spray. Chamomile hydrosol is known for its gentle and calming nature. It's often used in skincare products designed for sensitive skin. Witch hazel hydrosol is widely used in skincare. It's a refreshing feel and is commonly used as a facial toner. Lemon balm hydrosol has a bright and uplifting herbal aroma. It's often used in room sprays and relaxing herbal blends. Oregano hydrosol has a strong herbal aroma. Hydrosol made from a dried oregano often appears cloudier because more volatile compounds and oils are extracted. Eucalyptus hydrosol has a clean, refreshing aroma. Many people enjoy using it in room spray or shower steam routines. Catnip hydrosol has a gentle herbal aroma and is popular for pet-friendly herbal products. Fresh and dry herbs can produce different hydrosols. Fresh hot herbs often create lighter, clearer hydrosols. Dry herbs may produce stronger extraction and sometimes more visible essential oil. For example, the dried oregano often creates a cloudier hydrosol with more aromatic compounds. Making hydrosols at home is simpler than many people think. Basic steps including adding water, loading herbs, running steam or hydrodistillation, and collecting the hydrosol. Using automatic distiller like the ADI can simplify the process with automatic temperature and timing control. Hydrosols are one of the easiest ways to explore herbal extraction. They are gentle, versatile, and enjoyable to make at home. Which hydrosol would you like to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about herbal extraction, subscribe for more videos from LeTime. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Liu at LeTime. See you next time.